So Chasing Cars is another song that you can learn very easily. There are 3 chords, the same. So you will have C, F. So we're gonna use the F7, that is really nice for this song. And the G. So actually it's C first, then G, then F, and back to C. Okay, now the thing, it's the cardio with the right hand that is the most difficult. So you don't need to protect your nails for this one. You just need to make it last, the fingerstyle pattern that you're choosing, you make it last the whole song. But, I mean, there are some tricks. Like if you are tired, at some point you can do a break like this. For instance, just a solution. Anyway, the right hand pattern that I'm doing is so thumb, index, thumb, major. This is the bass that I'm doing. And sometimes when you feel it, when you hear it's nice, instead of using the major, you are using the ring on the high note. I like to leave the E all the time, so I do just the G, okay, I leave the E always, so here we do F7, so ring finger on the 3rd fret, 4th string, then major 2nd fret, 3rd string, index 1st fret, 2nd string, and then open. F7. Okay, it's very nice. If you, however, want to do a F, you just bar. Okay, you don't leave it open, you bar, and you have a F, normal. F7. Okay, so all in all, we don't need, and then the G. Okay, so you start first C, you don't sing at the beginning. 4, 2, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. We don't need choose as well to do strumming, so you can strum as well. You can try to strum it, so it will go like this if you don't change anything on the left hand. So we don't need anything or anyone. If I lay here, if I just lay here, would you lie with me and just forget? You can also swap with the bar chord if you are using the strum. I forget the words, forget what we are told before we get too old. Show me a garden that's bursting into life. that's it basically. Then you just have to manage when are you gonna do the finger style. You can swap, you can do we don't need anything, anyone. You can do whatever you want, whatever you feel, as long as you keep the structure, of course, and I mean, by the structure I mean the rhythm. So that's it, guys. Now you can play Chasing Cars. I see you for the next one. Bye.